Hi guys, and thank you for joining me today. As it is nearly Christmas, I thought I'd get out the ink and the gold foil and put together a gorgeous watercolour Christmas card. I printed out the wreath on an inkjet printer and used a laser printer to print the black text and confetti dots on top of the wreath. The reason why I used two different printers is because transfer foil only sticks to black laser toner. I have added confetti on the wreath, which I want to gold foil, and the only way to successfully achieve the perfect results is to do it this way. I've just cut and scored some craft cards stock to A2 size. I now follow the crop marks and cut out my printed sheet to size. I have used a very smooth paper we sell called Marshmallow, but you can get the same results by using a watercolour paper like Arches or Canson. I would not recommend using a textured paper. The foil will not stick well to the toner because of the ridges and valleys. I place the card into the carrier sheet and cut my foil to size. I then place a piece of baking paper on top of the foil to make sure that no toner from the design sticks to the carrier sheet. Now with the ink, I switch it on and go to heat setting 4, which is perfect for this cardstock. This cardstock is 261 GSM, which is nice and thick. I have 100% foil coverage and no black toner showing through at all. Here is the negative. I can see straight through it and there is no residue, which means the foil has adhered to the cardstock beautifully. Add glue to the back of your card. I like to use Hummer's 450 quick dry adhesive as it is a strong bond and dries quick. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create some beautiful gold foil pieces this Christmas. If you would like the template for this design, it will be available on our website or Etsy store.